Is it an E?
Yeah. What color is it?
Is it blue?
Yeah. What? What letter is this?
Is it a F?
No.
Is it a B?
No.
Oh, is it a G?
Yeah. What color is it?
Is it orange?
No. Yeah. What color is this?
What color?
Yeah.
It's orange?
2.
It's orange too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
2. Which one? This one is orange and this one. This one. And color is this. And this one. This one. What color is this?
Purple?
Purple! Yeah! Miss Kara's favorite.
Purple's Miss Carol's favorite?